Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to be doing a recording of setting up a server for my Windows class. Um, no. I already have this video assumes that you already have the servers like already set up, and we're just going to be doing some basic configurations. So I already have here my server 1 and server 2. I'm going to go ahead and power on this virtual machine. Um, don't show that thing again. I'm going to give it some time to boot up, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while it goes. If I can find the pause button. Looks like that's not happening. Looks like we're going to be here for the entire video. Um, so I already went through, this is a 410 server running on server 2012, and it's my first time working with it, and this is just kind of stuff that I've learned, and it's been really interesting so far. Um, it's going to continue booting up. And I've already started it once, but we're gonna need to go through and we're gonna need to set a password and all the beginning stuff. So scroll down. Maybe I didn't. Did I already set a password? Well, when you set a password, this is just a test, so I just set it as something simple. But if you're working with a real server, you're gonna want to have a more secure one. Um, Whenever you start up the server, it automatically boots up the server manager, and it also down here is PowerShell, and we'll get into that here in a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on configuring our network. So we can exit out of this, and then we'll scroll down to our network. Oops. Network and sharing center. And now Ethernet. We'll be using IPv4. So properties. IPv4. Use the following IP address. Um, my server 1 is using the IP address of 10.10.12, so we're just going to follow this one along. This one's going to be a 10.10.1.3, subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Default gateway is going to be a 10.10.1.250. Preferred DNS, 10.10 and then 1.250, I believe. Let me double check that. Alright, yeah, that's correct. Alternative, we'll just set it to the Google's. I guess you don't really have to, but I'm going to here. Yep, that looks good. Alright, okay, I don't believe I entered in an invalid subnet mask. Alright, oh, here's the issue. There we go. That's why it wasn't working. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we'll hit OK for that. Close out of this. Alright, I'm not really sure why, but my video recording software isn't working quite how it used to. It's not pausing when it's supposed to, but anyways, next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to come here, open this up, right click our PC, we're going to go to properties, and we're going to change like the name of the computer and stuff. So we're going to change settings and change, I'm going to rename it to just mirror it from up here, 410 server 2. And the work group, we're going to change it to 410 server 2012. We're going to more. Gonna change a primary DNS suffix 410 server 2012 dot local. Awesome. So okay, okay, and it looks like it's working on getting that changed. Okay, I don't want it to restart yet. Restart later. Hit exit. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the PowerShell. We're gonna check and make sure that this is private. Let me see. Alright, sorry about that. I just need to remember what the commands were that I needed. Alright, so we're gonna do get, what is it? Net connection profile. I must have done something wrong with how I did this. Let's try that. Oh, there, that's better. Alright, you can see right now it is set to public. Our interface index is also 12. So now we're going to change our network category to private. So we're going to do set, change it from get to set. And then interface index. Also, I'm hitting the tab button to fill these commands in. Network category private. Made another error here. Let's see. Let me try and figure out what this error is. Alright, I think I got it fixed. What I did is I exited out of PowerShell. I came back down to here. I right-clicked it, ran it as administrator, and which I thought I was already running like that before, but apparently not. And then I changed it to private, and now it's working how it's supposed to. So, yeah, I had a little bit of troubleshooting right there. That's everything for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will see you for the next video.